If you need to request a refund from Yahoo Mail due to an unwanted payment, follow these simple steps to guide you through the process. Step 1. Log into your Yahoo account. Access your Yahoo Mail account by entering your username and password. Make sure you are using the account associated with the payment you wish to dispute. Step 2. Navigate to the Help section. Once logged in, scroll to the bottom of the Yahoo Mail page and click on the Help link. This will direct you to the Yahoo Help Center where you can find information regarding refunds. Step 3. Search for refund information. In the Help Center, use the search bar to type in refund or payment issues. Look for articles that specifically address refund requests or payment disputes. Step 4. Follow the refund request process. Select the relevant article that outlines the refund process. Follow the instructions provided, which may include filling out a form or contacting customer support directly. Step 5. Keep records and follow up. After submitting your refund request, keep a record of all communications and confirmations. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable time, follow up with Yahoo support to check the status of your request. By following these steps, you can effectively navigate the refund process with Yahoo Mail. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to their customer support for assistance.